You got the wrong guy.
Yeah, we're bread makers.
Yeah. I'm sure. I hope you got a good lawyer.
I hate dogs. Don't turn around. Don't turn around.
Come on, Delgado. Turn around.
Dad, wait.
I think we owe you an apology. Chloe and the puppies told us why you left. We didn't know that you did it to protect us. Thank you, Dad.
I'm just glad I got a chance to see you boys again. Make things right.
Come on, guys. Quite the police dog, fella.
Let's see who you belong to.
Mexican police force, huh? I wonder if they'd let us borrow you for a little while. We sure could use your nose on a couple of cases. Huh? What do you boys think? Okay. Let me give him a call.
You want me to stay?
Yeah, I think we have a lot of catching up to do.
Come on, guys. It's great to have you back, Dad.
It looks like you're gonna be a Beverly Hills dog, Delgado.
Thanks for everything, Princessa. You have a beautiful family. And thanks to them, I have my family back too.
I'm sure I'll see you around. And I can't wait for next year's dog show. What do you say, Delgado?
In your dreams, kid. Adios.
Load up. And you too.
There you guys are. I know. I missed you too.